Hello everyone, my name is Guimin. We are Team Solv8. We are pleased to present our new membrane solution for sustainable solvent recovery. Solvent recovery for reuse is important for many industries such as chemical, pharmaceutical, and edible oil industries. First, let's take a look at the edible oil industry. Edible oils are essential ingredients in our everyday life. There are many types of edible oils that are produced by solvent extraction. First, let's take a look how the solvent extraction is used for the edible oil production. It takes 4 kg of solvent to produce 1 kg of oil. The crushed seeds and the solvent are mixed together to form an oil-solvent mixture. The mixture is then heated to boil off the solvent to produce the pure oil. We have also talked to the customers in the industrial side. The industrial plant typically produces 200 tons of oil every day. They use 120,000 kilowatt-hour of energy for the thermal separation. It's a huge amount of energy that is sufficient to power our HDB unit for 30 years. Customers have complained of high energy costs, high solvent loss, environmental pollution, and fire safety hazard. Solv8 has a membrane solution to address these pain points. Solv8 to solvent recovery is what reverse osmosis to desalination. We see a huge opportunity to disrupt the solvent recovery technologies. At NUS, we have developed a new membrane technology that is able to reject a wide range of solutes, such as oil, pharmaceutical ingredients, and catalysts, whereas allow the pure solvent to permeate through. In short, our membrane technology filters at ambient temperature, we enhance energy efficiency, and minimize solvent loss, and it is a safer process. We also prepared a video to demonstrate our membrane technology.
Globally, billions tons of solvents need to be separated and reused every year. Currently, it's predominantly done by thermal processes, where solvents are boiled off in stages and stages. The energy-intensive separations greatly contribute to CO2 emissions. Solv8 has patented a new membrane technology that processes a wide range of organic mixtures and recycles high-purity solvent. The membrane system has a modular design, which can be easily scaled up and retrofitted to existing plant. The membrane technology is the key invention of a $9 million research program. The membrane retains various liquids and solids, while allowing high-purity solvents to pass through. It has been extensively tested with industrial mixtures and has demonstrated excellent separation performances over a wide range of solvents. Solv8 will revolutionize solvent recovery and benefit numerous industries.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you have gained a good insight of our membrane technology. Solv8 membrane technology stands out in terms of separation performance and cost saving. Compared to the distillation technology, our membrane is able to save overall 60% cost saving for our customers compared to the other existing membrane technologies. Our membrane is able to purify the solvent to purity of more than 99% or more versus 90% or less. Solv8 membrane technology has an $18 billion of global market by working on the solvent recovery in the edible oil and pharmaceutical industries. We will start locally and move on to Southeast Asia, expand to India and China. That will give us an obtainable market of $2.2 billion. In the following slides, my co-founder will explain to you how we are going to make these promising solutions a reality.
We will capture the $2.2 billion market by selling our membrane system. Solv8 will fabricate the membrane element and design the system. We have signed with 2 manufacturing partners to build a piping skid. We are able to install our membrane element to the skid and sell a membrane system as the final product. And Solv8 will be a solution provider. Our system is priced for the life cycle energy saving, so the customer can have their investment back within 2 years, and for us to have a gross margin of 80%. To make sure our customer will adopt our technology, in 2022, we'll start pilot testing with 2 leading oil producers in Singapore, who have also given us their OI to purchase the first commercial unit. With the first commercial sale, we'll start generating positive cash flows in 2023. From there, we'll be well positioned to sell to other leading oil producers in Malaysia and Indonesia. In 2025, we'll grow into the China and India market by working with the local system integrators and distributors. The edible oil market will be the first one for us to capitalize on. We have received 4 LOIs to use our membrane to remove solvent, and 1 LOI to remove free fatty acid, color, and odor from palm oil. We have also been engaged by the pharmaceutical companies to use our membrane and make pharmaceutical production more sustainable. We are honored to participate in the NUS group project, where we will produce 1-inch modules and a small pilot in the lab. After that, we'll raise our seed investment to scale up the membrane production by 40 times and produce a commercial pilot system. The proceeds of the investment will be used to pay for the equipment, manpower, parts and chemicals to fabricate the membrane system. My name is Chun Feng. I'm the commercial lead of this project. I have obtained my PhD and MBA from NUS. Before joining GRIP, I was the technical director of a leading engineering consulting firm. I have been working in membrane technology in 4 years, specializing in scaling up and commercializing membrane technologies. My previous work has been featured in Forbes 30 and 30 and MIT Technology Reviews. My co-founder, Dr. Shi Guimin, he is the co-principal investigator at NUS, leading the $9 million research project. He has 4 patents on this technology, 9 years in membrane technology, 10 years in chemical, fragrance, and flavor industries. We are membrane scientists, but we also have years of experience in building and scaling up a membrane system, such as the one behind us. Our scientific advisor is Professor Neil Chong, a top membrane scientist in the world. He has more than 70 patents, and more than 10 of them have been licensed. Our business advisor is Mr. Shekar, who is experienced and well-connected in the solvent industries. To summarize, Solv8 have developed a scalable membrane technology that will minimize energy cost, solvent loss, and safety hazard of solvent recovery. We have demonstrated a strong business case and secured 7 LOIs. My co-founder and I are dedicated in this project and ready to work on this full-time. Solvent recovery has to be more sustainable. Please join us and solve it together. We look forward to meeting you in NUS GRIP Live Off Day. Thank you.